name is Mantas, for the viewers, who is watching my video for the first time. And I was debating to myself for like a week or so, maybe a little longer, to start making videos in English or stay with my first language, Lithuanian. But there wasn't much views and much interest in my videos because there's not much people who loves Volvo and who lives in Lithuania or speaks Lithuanian. So I decided to make it in English from now. For the older viewers who was watching my videos in Lithuanian, I cannot promise, but I will try to make subtitles in Lithuanian under the new videos, I guess, and opposite to my older videos. And what I want to show you today, you can see that here is my daily 850, and here it's another 850. So yeah, I got one more. It's a sedan, it's 2.4 like my red one. For now at least, it's 2.4. It's a sedan, it's automatic, and it's damn dirty. Someone wasn't taking care of his car. Yeah, English is not my first language, so I will try my best to get everything clear and understandable. And for the maintaining the car, Eric, hello, do something different with your cars from now, please. So I need to do some stuff to it. I need to change the brake discs in the back, the brake pads, fix up the handbrake. The steering tie rod is loose on one side. The spring in the back is mounted some wrong way, or I don't know. I'm not sure yet. One fog light doesn't work, and there was some more fails, ball joint or something. So let's start from the beginning, because it's quite disgusting to drive that car at all when the interior looks like crap. We can take a quick look at it. So yeah, it's full of dust, full of shit, and things like that is broken, so the doors doesn't hold themselves. Yeah, now it's getting stuck. Okay, yeah, you see what is going on inside. My idea was to buy this car only because it has electrical windows, which mine don't, and the passenger seat is in okay condition, and heating for it works, which doesn't in mine. And it has a trip computer, so you can see how much fuel you're using, and some other bits and pieces that I could use. Now we can take a look at the engine, I guess, how that looks. So yeah, the engine looks bad, looks disgusting. Oil everywhere, dirty. The soundproofing mat is dirty as well. The coolant color looks good enough for me. I'm not sure about the belts, I'm not sure the power steering, I'm not sure about the battery. And two other things that I can take out from this car is the headlights and the fog lights, which mine doesn't have. The fog lights, I mean. It drives okay, the gearbox works okay, it starts, it drives, so it's not a big issue to fix it up. So I think let's get going with the interior then. Need to find some gloves or something and take all the shit out of it. See you in the second. To take out the seats, yeah, to take out the seats is quite fast for the 14mm impact. And it goes out. to the forward, and there's 4 more bolts in the back. So yeah, what I was telling about the dirtiness of this car. You see, everything was under the seat. We'll just collect the bolts to one place and lighter, which doesn't work anymore. Holy shit. Nails. We don't need that. So yeah, fast forward to all other seats, and I don't need to show you the process from the beginning. Okay, the rear seats was quite tricky. There is like spring-loaded thing in here, and you must pull the seat and lift it at the same time from here, so then it pops out and leaves you with this kind of thing. Not really sure how to call it. It's okay, I can take out the seats now and try to clean all this crap from inside, I guess. Okay, we're done with vacuuming the floor. I will take some silicone spray and start working on the dash and all the panels around the interior, and it's gonna take a long time. I will clean the panels, and then I think I need to clean the carpet as well with some kind of spray. I will look if I have something for it, and then we will see how it turns up, how clean it could be after some time spent on it. It's like an hour or something. Okay, see you soon. Stay here. Okay, I just want to do a quick before and after. So this one should go off. You can see what is going on here. Holy shit. Yeah, so I will take out the vents, clean off all the dashboard, the door trims, the center console, and come back to you. I forget to mention what I'm using for cleaning the panels and the interior. It's just dish soap with the water and the brush. Later I will just spray everything with the silicone spray, the dashboard cleaner, which is based on silicone, so it will be nice and shiny and smell nice. So okay, I finished cleaning dash from the dust and all the dirt with the dish soap. Now I want to spray everything with the silicone cleaner, but at first I started the car to heat it up. It's on the right temperature now, and I want to scrub the carpet with some kind of cleaner to remove all the spots and dirts, and leave it running on the high heat with like one window opened a bit to dry out, and I'll be done for today because it's getting kind of dark, and I don't have right lights to film in the dark at the moment, at least. So I will end up the video here, and next time I will show you how everything looks after I've done with the cleaning, at least for the inside, and I will start working on the mechanical things with the suspension, brakes and so on. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.